Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'm going to talk about a bird that looks like a small peacock but a lot less colorful. The white-browed fantail. The white-browed fantail is a small passerine bird belonging to the family Rhipiduridae. Fantail with a broad white eyebrow, dark upperparts and white underparts. It is the only fantail in Sri Lanka. It is a resident bird in South Asia and Southeast Asia. Planters in highlands call this bird the Drunken piper because of its erratic behavior involving swooping flight. Their calls are like named locally as Bama, Sudu, Pavanpenda. I have seen the white-browed fantail at Deersaru Park in Kotte near the Parliament. But it is a common bird in dry lowlands of Sri Lanka, such as Udawalawa and Yala. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to see my next video about the blue-tailed bee-eater.